Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available that when we created new task, then generated sequence number. But using this our Dev task unique number, you can easily create sequence number for the task in projects. You can see here our module Dev task unique number. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects. Go to task, create new. I created task for any works, add project like a internal and add. So you can see here task for any works is my created task and generated sequence number is 001. Now open this and also see in form view. Thank you.